Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to scan a QR code on Instagram. It's super easy and a great way to quickly follow accounts or share your own. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Next, tap on the camera icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on the scan QR code you want to scan. Make sure you hold your phone up to the QR code you want to scan. Make sure the QR code fits within the frame of your screen. Once the code is scanned, Instagram will automatically take you to the profile associated with the QR code. From here, you can follow the account or view the post or interact with their profile. As a bonus tip, you can also create your own Instagram QR code to share with others. Just go to your profile, then tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Then select QR code and customize as you like it. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to scan QR codes on Instagram and create your own.